Hello, I'm Katya, and today I visited an amazing building in South Buffalo, the Our Lady of Victory National Shrine and Basilica. It looks amazing, like a piece of Europe right here in Western New York. This basilica was the dream of Father Nelson Baker. Over 100 years ago, he spent his life helping children, families, and people in need. He built homes, schools, hospitals. People call his work the City of Charity. But his biggest dream was to build a shrine to honor the Blessed Mother. In 1925, his dream became real. The basilica was finished. Inside, you can see marble from around the world, colorful stained glass windows, and beautiful mosaics. For almost 100 years, this basilica has been more than just a church. It's a place of peace, prayer, and hope. People travel from near and far to admire its beauty and to feel comfort inside. Today, the basilica is not only a national shrine, but also a reminder of what one person's faith and kindness can create. Father Baker's vision still inspires the community. The Our Lady of Victory Basilica continues to shine as a place of faith, beauty, and hope for everyone who visits.